I'm outside of a laundromat, and right there's two big giant buzzards on somebody's car. They're just chilling, hanging out. Those jokers are huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I wish y'all could see this. I need to get closer. Oh my goodness. The things that we see. Oh, well, there it is. It's a Corolla. A Toyota Corolla. I'm going to go around so I can sneak up on them. You gotta see this. Oh, you guys, they're sitting on the roof or the hood of the car. And it's about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm up the hill. This is a spot where everybody come and hang out Monday through Friday. Gamble, chill. Look, he just dived off. Or is that a big chicken? I think it's a buzzard. Or a turkey? I don't know. It's a big old bird though. There he is. Him and his friend. He's kind of hanging out. Gotta get quiet because if he noticed me, they're gonna walk away, or fly away, basically. And there goes one. Oh my gosh. I just find it amazing that he's just chilling on top of the car. What is it on top of the car that he likes? Oh my gosh. Okay. Hope y'all can see this. And the other one like, yo, let's go. Let's go. We've been up here too long. Ain't nothing going on. They don't throw out food no more. Oh my gosh. Buzzard. And here comes somebody. Here comes somebody pulling in right there in that white car. And watch them move. This is the TNT bar. And what I happen to be doing up here is that I come up here every now and then. It's been a moment, and I ain't been up here in a long time. See? Now, see? You see his wings. Yeah, there's always something amusing going on. There's homie right there. He's like, I wish he'd come on because he's taking too long. There's nothing to do, nothing to see. Let's leave. I guess they get fed or something. Or he finds something amusing inside that car. Yes, he does. I find it amusing that he on top of the car like that, for real. What happened on top of the car that he don't want to leave? Look at him checking out the inside. Oh, it's too funny. I find it too funny. Let's see, do they hang out over here on these cars and stuff every day? Probably not. There ain't nothing dead over here. Why did he choose this spot versus any other spot? I'm gonna get as close as I can. Reason being is because I like the color of the bird. Oh boy. Just like people, they came to shop too. See if they can find anything interesting. caught up to his homeboy. Just kind of walking around. Look like maybe one's a female and one's a male. Reason being is because one's wings is longer than the other. Well, that's it for now. That's all the time we have. And I guess they just gonna mosey on along. I should mosey on along with them. But I got things to do. I feel bad for them. There they go. They'll find something else to do. So they landed on the School of Valor. That's what that big V is for. School of Valor. There it is, the big V. Teachers are coming in for the morning. Uh-oh. A little one, which was that one up there, tried to land near the big one. He pecked at him. All right. Somebody's shoes. I don't know what happened. Maybe dude's inside the car, sleeping. Okay. Yours truly, over and out. It's a Tuesday. (2017) July.